Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today I want to test a light effect. So first I will make a quick sketch of a face of a girl and on this one I will try out the effect. Let's see if it works. I'll begin by drawing the hairline, the shape of the hair actually. This is a way which I sometimes like to follow when sketching. I will use just two colors, a black for the shading, which is this one, and a light aqua for the lights. Good. Let's do the eyebrows. One here, thinner at the outer edge, and the other one. The hair will be a little bit closer. In the eye. As I said, this is just going to be a very rapid sketch to test the colors, to test the effect of the light actually. If I like it, then I will use it for a more elaborated and finished drawing. Let's do the jaw and the chin, a bit more hair over here, just on one side. The hair on the other side will be falling behind her body. And let's do a little bit of shading. As you see, I'm drawing on a dark gray paper, which automatically gives me the middle tones. Middle actually darkish. And on that we can do even darker shading with the black. And then if we add a light color like this nice aqua, it should contrast nicely. That's the plan at least. I am considering the light source to be on the right. So just the surfaces that are facing the right will be getting this light treatment. I love finding and experimenting with some new effects or techniques. It is exciting, especially thinking that they can be used for future bigger creations. And let's add some more shading to the hair. I learned this technique from Bulgarian artist and illustrator Angel Ganev. I think a key point to get this effect is to not overuse the light. We should use this powerful lighting sparingly, just in a few select spots. The list of materials that I am using is in the description below the video. Let's add some touches of light to the hair. By the way, did you know that you can help me translating the subtitles of these tutorials to your language? It is fun and easy. It will be much appreciated by me and by the artists in your country who want to learn from them. The instructions are also in the description below the video. Thanks in advance. The final touches and it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, share it to your friends and subscribe to Fine Art Tips. And I will see you on Tuesday.